Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to get a quick start on Google Sites because we have the start of a lot of information and now we're going to think about how we're going to present it. So you can start just by being at your Drive or your email. I'm sure there are other ways, but I'm just going to show you how to do it through my Drive. I'm going to click here. I'm going to go down to Google Sites. I'm going to click on Google Sites. So it will take a second to load. So then we just go over to the left where it says sites. I'm going to click create. I have just been experimenting in new sites, but if you have experience in the past working with classic sites, go for it. So new sites. All right, so for entering site name, I'm just going to put G6 ing hum. So the title page is going to be development unit. So right away you can see that there are different header types. You can go large banner, you can go banner, you can go title only. I'm going to go banner. Another thing is if you go over here to themes, there's lots of different themes that you can work with. So maybe I feel like using impression. All right, actually that's pretty cool because it's got the world, but you can also change the colors as well. So why don't I just go red? Okay, so I feel like to start I want to insert an image. So I'm going to go to images. You have a couple different options. You can search, you have albums, you can go through your Google Drive. Another option that I've been working with is just Google searching and then dragging and dropping. So that's also an option. But let's just search. Let's see what happens. I feel like development is about working together. So maybe I'll type in holding hands. Let's see what that gives me. Taking a look. I'm not going to spend too much time. Let's say I like that picture. All right. So I'm just going to click on it and then select. And then you'll notice you can mess around with the shape. Oh, actually, that is kind of a nice image. I like that. Um, it's up to you. You can keep it like this, but I might go over to the color palette and I might say, you know what, I want emphasis, or I want, this is emphasis 1. It's on standard right now, or I might go emphasis 2, which just makes it red. One of the things I want to draw your attention to is at any time you can go up here. Well, first you can undo it, but you can also preview it. So, okay, I'm satisfied with that as kind of what will be my landing page. The second thing I'm going to do is go to pages. So I'm going to add the first page. And yep, add. The first page is going to be what is poverty done. So it's just thinking, it's adding. So again, if you want this to be a certain theme, you just go back to it. So impression, header type, go banner. It's up to you though, however you think it looks the most attractive. Then we go to insert. So I have tons of text, or you have tons of text. So it adds a text box. One of the things I'm finding is that you want to experiment with the size. So let's just put in a bunch of text. What you'll notice is you can click off. Again, if you want to change the color, if you want to make it red, but you can also change the size of it. So maybe I'll make it this big because I also want to insert an image. So let's go to images. Let's go poverty. Oh, sorry, here. And as well, you see you have some options. You can make it bigger or smaller. All right. So it looks good. Now I want to go back because this is just one section. We'll say this is section 1. Now I want to insert more text. It pops up below. This time I want to have it a little bit different. I want to have it like this. I still want to keep it red for consistency, but now I also want to add in a video. You won't add in just any video, but let's say Hans Rosling. We can add that. Let's see, what do we want? How to end poverty in 15 years, select. I want to insert it up beside the text, so I'm just dragging and dropping. There we go. Now I want to see what it looks like. I'll go to preview. So what is poverty? Section 1, image, video, writing. If I want to get out of this screen, I'll just click the X. The last thing I'll show you how to do is just to add a link. So I'll just copy and paste that, Command C. So once again, Command C. I can go back here. And if I want to say this is the United Nations states that poverty is, and maybe I'll have that as a quote, but I might actually want to hyperlink the quote, so I'll go Command K and copy and paste the link and apply. Okay, so if I want to preview that, you can see I can now click on the quote so someone can get back to where I have it or where I got the quote. So this is just a quick introduction, but today's class is really just having a play around with some of these ideas. Good luck, have fun, be inventive.